Protect your files and devices. This includes your apps, web browsers, and operating systems. Set updates to happen automatically. Back up important files offline, on an external hard drive, or in the cloud. Make sure you store your paper files securely, too. Use passwords for all laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Don't leave these devices unattended in public places. Encrypt devices and other media that contain sensitive personal information. This includes laptops, tablets, smartphones, removable drives, backup tapes, and cloud storage solutions. Require multi-factor authentication to access areas of your network with sensitive information. This requires additional steps beyond logging in with a password, like a temporary code on a smartphone or a key that's inserted into a computer. As a small business owner, you have a lot on your mind. You can't afford to lose time or money to scammers or a compromised network. We can help you avoid scams, protect your computers and networks, keep your customers' data safe, and protect your bottom line. Contact Verified Safe Cybersecurity Solutions for your free network assessment. Identify a wide range of server, endpoint, and network vulnerabilities. Call 615-547-9563.